Hello everyone and welcome to ArchiTechLive.com. Today I will show you how to install the SketchUp plugin. So first of all, you have to come on the website ArchiTechLive.com/SketchUp plugin. Scroll down till you see this link. Download this. This is a very small file. It will download very quick. And then go to SketchUp. Go to Extension Manager, and press here Install Extension. Locate where your file download, and then OK. Once you open it, it's installed automatically. Close this manager. Once you click on it, the plugin will load. And then if you don't have any account, you can sign up. And if you have already account with us, you just go and sign in. So I will sign in with my account. So once you sign in, you will see that this interface. So here you will see your credit. You can add more credit from this link. This toggle is dark and light toggle, and this is sign out. So this button is refresh scene. Nothing is shows for the first time. You will just click on this and the scene will load over here. So we have two tabs for interior and exterior. Both interior and exterior has its own template over here. As you can see, exterior has more templates for the tower and for the villa. And so if I close this quick template, we have custom rendering also, similar as we have on our website. So once you open this one, you can give all your custom parameter here. If you want to render photorealistic, you can select this, and then on time of the day, you can select the light, you can select the weather, you can select the camera style, you can select the quality level also, and here custom prompt over here and negative prompt here. So once you're ready, your prompt is ready. As you can see, is a button also disabled because we haven't select anything. So once you select any prompt or template, this button will be enabled. All right, so for now we select the villa and we will go quick template. So we select this villa and we say villa day. So once we click this one and simply generate render. Once the render is ready, you can see on this preview area the rendered one. So you can go download it. So once it's download, you open from here, from your download folder, and here it is. Okay, let's do another view. Let's say if we check this scene 5 from this file, and this time we will go to night scene. Okay, so we click on the night scene on our villa section in quick template, and then generate render. So as you can see, the render is ready. Let's see what we have here. So guys, check, this is what we have in the night. So as you can see, you can render directly from your SketchUp. Don't need to go any other web browser. You can directly render your design in our plugin. So hope you like it. Thank you.